Hi guys, as you know that your SSC CHSL 2021 exam is few days away. So to boost your preparation, Oliveboard has launched its new course SSC CHSL Crash Course 2021, and particularly in this course you will get more than 100 plus concept videos, 100 plus sectional as well as full length mock test and 10 plus live practice session. And why this course is very important for you? From my experience, I can tell you one thing, that at present you need to solve maximum number of mock tests, that is full length mocks as well as sectional mocks. Okay, in that way only you can boost your preparation as well as you can increase your marks in the examination. And if you want to compare yourself with other aspirants, you have to join live practice session of Oliveboard. In that way you can compare yourself with other serious aspirants also. Okay, so if you want to join this course, do enroll this SSC CHSL Crash Course 2021 right now.